Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to set savings goals in Goodbudget. Setting up dedicated savings goals inside Goodbudget is entirely built around utilizing specialized envelope types to track everything from annual expenses to one-time major purchases. To get started, log into your account via the web version or open the mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. Head directly to your Envelopes tab. If you are on the web, click the Add or Edit button to open your envelope management page and scroll down to the More Envelopes section. If you are using an iPhone, tap Edit within your Envelopes tab. If you are on Android, open the Overflow menu and select Edit Envelopes. Once you are looking at your envelope list, tap to add a new envelope. Here is where you choose your specific tracking category using the Budget Period drop-down menu. Goodbudget provides distinct options depending on what you are saving for. If your target is a recurring annual expense like holiday gifts, insurance premiums, or property taxes, select the annual budget period. Input your target budget amount and set a precise due date. Goodbudget will automatically calculate how much money you need to put aside per paycheck or per month, so you hit that total right on time. If your target is a one-time purchase that will only happen once, such as funding a vacation, buying a car, or paying for a wedding, select the goal budget period instead. Enter your total cost objective and specify your target calendar deadline. The system will structure your progress path so that you can fund the envelope incrementally over time during your regular budget fills. As you allocate your income during your standard monthly or paycheck fills, direct a portion of those funds straight into your newly created annual or goal envelopes. The platform tracks your cumulative contributions against your target date, giving you a clear visual indicator of how close you are to finishing. When the due date finally arrives or you hit your target number, you can spend directly from that envelope without guessing what you can afford. Keeping these funds compartmentalized prevents your long-term savings from getting mixed up with your day-to-day grocery or utility spending. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.